enthusiastic. Come on, let's go. You had the stupid white sauce all around your face when you're getting full out of yourself eating the fish tacos. Yada yada yada, then we'll bounce to the ingredients.
Shut up. Can I empty the...
Let's do this for the rest of us. You do it. Hello! That is so good. How do we want to do this, bro? And I'm Richard, and I'm gonna break your freaking fingers if you can't stop fidgeting with everything that's on the table. You start the intro.
I know, that's what I mean.
Shh. Being a witch over here.
You say, I don't pack it that hard.
Why do you have to
Because
put
it's
fingerprints in
fun.
everything?
Fun.
God, you're the kid at that restaurant that pokes the dessert platter, aren't you?
Oh?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Well, we never get dessert platters, so I wouldn't know.
Are you ready?
Yeah, eat. I'm gonna talk about
Put the water in there. Why do you gotta mess with everything? Oh, I was rolling when I said that. That's not going into bloopers.
Well, no, because you
No
could.
F words.
No F words. Family friendly show. Right?
About the measurements, but you know it's at every. Why?
Sorry, I just.
Why, bro? Seriously. I feel like there was more.
Nope, there ain't more.
Okay. Alright, well, we are filming. Are you done fidgeting?
No.
Stop. It's not getting any earlier.
So here are. I can't say so here are. I can't.
You have
physically
chocolate all over your
do
face,
that.
too. You don't have to.
So is your spit. Evaporate
Wah,
now.
wah, wah. Ow.
I forgot what it was called.
You were so mean to me.
Because it's true, you say,
You
so,
never let me have
okay.
any fun. And look at, great job cleaning this too, bro.
I tried. You said, like, you're like, da-da, da.
Don't pick your face, bro. You're about to cook. Hold on. Hold on.
Ooh, that's already really hot.
You're learning all these camera moves.
So nasty. So, medium. I
That makes
got you, boo. So I've stirred everything into our pot.
Is it so?
Shut up!
Well, stop messing with it. You have to just let it rock out. What? Why? Not rock out like that. I did do 3 seconds. You're so bossy. 1, 2, 3. Because my arm's gonna fall off. Whoopsie. Boom, boom, boom. Dun, 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 dun. I press play. We're ready to go. You're killing me.
I'm just making sure because if we do it and then you didn't press play, then that would be bad. Okay. Okay.
Sound like a stewardess. A butcher, a baker, a caramel apple maker. No, that wasn't funny.
But you used all the bacon pretty much.
On accident.
Sure.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
If you have any suggestions, leave a comment down below.
Yeah, no, seriously. Always a freaking hair. And I know it's never mine. Oh god, I'm making a mess now. Okay, I'm filming while you're giving yourself a sugar rush from hell.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Like, how you gonna do that? Okay.
I love
Well, we're burning time here.
Yeah, I'll just eat it. Let's do
Any
this
day now, bro.
one. Let's do this one.
I'm gonna be doing this for like a year. We have to wrap the freaking show up,
I know, let me
bro.
wipe my face off.